Yttrium is the 39th element on the periodic table and is a silvery metallic transition metal often grouped with the rare earth elements due to its chemical similarity and frequent occurrence in the same ores. With an atomic weight of 88.91, yttrium is relatively stable in air, forming a protective oxide layer, but it can react with water and acids over time. Yttrium was first discovered in 1794 by Johann Gadolin, who identified it in a black mineral later named gadolinite. It was named after the Swedish village of Ytterby, which also lent its name to several other rare earth elements. What makes yttrium particularly valuable is its unique optical, electronic, and structural properties. It's widely used in phosphors, which are compounds that glow when excited by electrons or ultraviolet light. Yttrium oxide doped with europium is the red phosphor in old CRT television and computer screens. Similarly, yttrium plays a key role in the creation of white LEDs, combining with other elements to emit a broad spectrum of visible light. Yttrium is also essential in material science. It's used in yttria-stabilized zirconia, a ceramic with exceptional strength and thermal resistance used in jet engines, gas turbines, and dental implants. In metallurgy, yttrium improves the strength and oxidation resistance of alloys, especially those exposed to high temperatures. Medically, yttrium-90 is a radioactive isotope and is used in radiotherapy for cancer, particularly liver tumors, because of its beta radiation emission.